Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today is a bittersweet video because this is going to be my last and only Play by Sephora unboxing on my channel. I don't know if you guys know, but Sephora posted and let everybody know that this is going to be their last box that they're going to be having with Play by Sephora because they decided to do away with these subscription boxes. They did say that they're going to come out with something new. I don't know all the details of what that's going to be, but this is going to be the last box, and I'm a little sad because I actually like the subscription box, but maybe what they're going to have is going to be better. So we'll see. We got to stay tuned for that. If you hadn't had the chance already to subscribe to my channel, please do. I am a new YouTuber on YouTube. I do all things beauty related, so I post things like unboxings, such as subscription makeup boxes. I do makeup hauls, and we talk about all things beauty related, all the new things that's coming out in the beauty industry, and just, you know, talking about makeup in general. If that's something that you think that you would like, then please subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is the box, Play by Sephora. I already opened everything, so I do know what's inside the box because I sanitize everything just to be on the safe side. So I didn't try anything, but I did see what I have already. So I'll try to pretend to be excited. Alright, so when you open the box, this is what it looks like. The first thing you get on top is a thank you. So they thanked us for, you know, being a member, and they just letting us know that this is going to be the last box that they're having. And in the back it says that they gave one extra sample. So I want to say we got 7 things. They gave us a trial sample size of a hair mask, which was like an extra thing, just, you know, to apologize, I guess, for canceling the box. And they wrote that on this card on the back. They gave us some stickers. I think I'm going to put them on like my planners that I have for work because I'm like very OCD, organized. I'm a Virgo. So I have like 3 planners, like a work planner, personal planner, and then a second planner for work. So I'll just put these to make my planners look nice and fun. They also gave us this pamphlet. They always give you a pamphlet like with all the things that's in your box. So this is what the pamphlet looks like. And it just tells us the 6, so it was 6 things that we got in the box, not 7, 6. So that's that. Peekaboo. Alright. This is everything that was inside of our little bag. They always give you like a little reusable bag. So I don't actually ever reuse them because like they're kind of flimsy, so I didn't really see the point. They could have just put everything in the box and not waste like a bag, but that's just my personal opinion. So let's see what they gave me. So the first thing was, this was the thing that they said that they gave us as a bonus. It's a Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, hair mask. This is what it looks like. So I have not tried anything from this brand, but you can never have too much hair mask, so I will be doing that since we're all under quarantine. I need stuff to do, so I've been doing like a lot of self-care. I've been doing facial mask and skincare, so now I have something to do with my hair. So that's that. Let's see what else we got. ASMR. I just started watching ASMR YouTube videos, and they're like so funny, but like they're so soothing. It's like you wouldn't think to like listen to certain things, but they're actually like very self-calming. So give you guys a little ASMR. Alright, sorry, back to the video. Alright. So the next thing I got was the Laneige water sleeping mask. I never tried anything from, actually no, I'm lying. I did get the eye hydrating serum from BOXYCHARM. So, and I did like that. So now this is the water mask, sleeping mask for the face. I got it for the eye. This is what the box looks like. And it looks like so outside the box. So it says just leave treatment overnight and rinse off in the morning. Smells very clean. It's like a jelly consistency, like a light blue color. So it's almost see-through. You can't really, like, there's not really a color. It's like a light blue tint. Very hydrating. I like that it's hydrating, but it's not like heavy or sticky. So that's how it gave my hand a nice little glow. So that is the second thing that I got in here. And keep in mind, guys, that this is only $10. So I really thought that these this subscription box was actually really good, because for $10 you get like all these beautiful travel sizes that's in Sephora. Like, you know what they are. Sometimes when you get something from like BOXYCHARM or Ipsy, it's like indie, and then you don't know, you never heard of the brand, you don't know if it's reputable, you don't know if it's good, you can't find it. Like, if it's in the Sephora Play box, everything, I keep saying Sephora Play box, Play by Sephora box, then you know that it's in Sephora and it'll be easy to find. So it's bittersweet. I'm still like in shock that they canceled it. All right, so the next thing I got was this Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I actually use this. This is like a cult favorite that a lot of beauty gurus use. This is a nice little baby size that you could keep for your pocketbook. So I have like 2 full sizes already, and I think I have like a deluxe travel size. So this is like a nice cute one that I can put in my pocketbook. So I love this. This is supposed to make your makeup stay on, is it 16 hours? Yep, 16 hours, and it's a lightweight texture. I use this already. I'm not that fond of the smell of this, but I've been using it for so long, I guess I got used to it at this point. Right now I'm using the Too Faced setting spray, and I like the Pixie setting spray. Those are like the 2 that I'm using now, but this is like, I've been using this one for years, but sometimes I like to switch them off and on. All right, so the next thing I got was a Belief in Truth Moisture Eye Balm. So it comes like so. Hold on. And this is like a little mini eye balm. I like that everything's like blue. Got your little blue samples. All right, so this is not a clear consistency. This is like a white consistency. It doesn't really have a scent. It just smells like a skincare scent. There's not really like a rosy or anything like that. It's like white. This is a little bit more heavier than the sleeping mask. This feels like a lot more thicker, a lot more moisturizing. And this is for the eye, which is good because under the eyes needs moisture. Oh wow, I think it says that it provides intense moisture up to 26 hours, boosts elasticity. That's great, we could all use that. So I can't wait to try that. All right, I still have more goodies. All right, so the next thing I got was the Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. That's what it looks like. It smells like trees or like grass, very clean and fresh. All right, let's see what else I got. The next thing I got was the They're Real Benefit Mascara. And I use the Benefit mascaras. I've tried every single one of them. My favorite one is a Bad Gal Bang. This one is supposed to be a lengthening mascara. I tend to buy more volumizing mascaras, but It's a nice mascara, just not one of my favorites, but very good for travel, so I definitely will not deny it. I'll definitely take it. So that's that. All right, then the last thing they gave us was the Shiseido Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector, SPF 42 for the face, and it's water resistant for 40 minutes sunscreen. So I don't think any of us will be going to the beach anytime soon. The weather is terrible. It hasn't been even that hot. And we're in April, but they say April showers bring May flowers, so hopefully things will get better and we can at least enjoy a little bit of the sun, but we'll keep our fingers crossed. This, let me see if it has a smell to it. Doesn't have like that sunblock smell. It just smells like skincare, like that bland skincare scent. But that is it. I'm excited to see what they're going to come up with. And if it's good, like I said, then I'll just subscribe to that as well. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of my video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.